Mountain soil contains a lot of humus. A option is correct. Which of the following methods does not help in conserving soil fertility and moisture? So the methods are shifting agriculture. The option is correct. Next question. Which of the following methods of soil conservation is most effective in the arid areas? The method is shelter belt. B option is correct. Which one of the following does not cause soil erosion? The thing that does not cause soil erosion is deflection. A option is correct. Next question. Soil erosion on hill slopes can be checked by. These can be checked by terrace cultivation. B option is correct. The crop mainly grown in hills are. The crop mainly grown in hills is sweet jowar. B option is correct. Which one of the following practices is adopted for restoring the fertility of soil? The practice is fallowing. C option is correct. Coffee is a tropical shrub. C option is correct. Contour plugging helps in soil conservation. Humus is a type of decaying organic matters in soil. B option is correct. The significant quantity of upper soil is formed by sedimentary rock. B option is correct. In a desert region, soil erosion can be checked by tree plantation or afforestation. A option is correct. Alluvial soils are usually rich in nitrogen, poor in humus, and highly fertile. The option is correct here. Next question. The land which is not cultivated every year, though it is suitable for cultivation, the land is pastoral land. B option is correct. The organic matter present in soil is known collectively as humus. C option is correct. Which of the following soils is used for production of bricks? The soil is red and yellow. Plantation of trees on a large scale to check soil erosion are called afforestation. D option is correct here. Here comes our next question. Soil formed by leaching and oxidation is laterite soil. B option is correct. Soil which is prone to intensive leaching due to rain is called laterite. Soil factor are otherwise known as edaphic factor. A option is correct. Highly specialized form of agriculture in which crops like coffee, tea and rubber are cultivated referred to plantation agriculture. B option is correct. Identify the most infertile among us the following soil. The soil that is most infertile is laterite soil. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? The pair that is not correctly matched is Khadar-Jonas soil, that is not correctly matched. Next question. In a desert region, soil erosion can be checked by tree plantation or afforestation. Terra rossa is a Latin word which means red terrain. B option is correct. The soil which are rich in calcium are known as pedicles. Soil erosion can be prevented by afforestation. Who of the following has given the term rhizosphere? It has been given by Hiltner. C option is correct. Next question. The Essa-Gray soils of high latitude coniferous forest are known as podsols. B option is correct. The remedies to soil erosion are contour bunding and regulation of land use. B option is correct. Next question. In which region is terrace farming done? The region is slope of hills. B option is correct. Alluvial soils are rich soil for crop cultivation but are poor in nitrogen and humus. Bamboo is classified as grass. B option is correct. The transfer of minerals from topsoil to subsoils through soil water is called leaching. C option is correct. Black soil is also known by which of the following name? It is known as regur soil. D option is correct. Salination of soil is caused by excess irrigation. C option is correct. Which one of the following is the indirect use of forest? It is checking soil erosion. B option is correct. The food chain refers to the transfer of energy from It is referred to the transfer of energy from the organism to another, one organism to another. C option is correct. The presence of a lion in the forest is essential in order to save the pastures from being overgrazed. C option is correct. Which one of is not a non-conventional energy source? It is nuclear energy. A option is correct. The Montreal Protocol 1987 refers to saving the ozone layer from the destruction by reducing the use of CFCs. D option is correct. Next question. Trees are leafless for a shorter or longer season for the year in. It is the year in deciduous forest. D option is correct. Snakes are vultures are eating rats in a field. If wild dogs are let into the field, what will be the immediate result? The result will be decrease in number of rats. C option is correct. Coastal Andhra Pradesh and Odisha often face natural disasters due to cyclones. The main cause of global climatic change is increase in the content of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The option is correct. The sphere of living matter together with water, air and soil on the surface of the earth is known as biosphere. B option is correct. Green accounting means measuring the national income of the country taking into account estimation of population and environmental damage. C option is correct. Which one of the following is an abiotic and renewable resource? It is water. C option is correct. The largest ecosystem of earth is biome. An artificial ecosystem is represented by aquarium. D option is correct. Which is the most stable ecosystem? It is ocean. B option is correct. An ecosystem consists of a living community and its environment. C option is correct. Which one of the following is a greenhouse gas? It is carbon dioxide. An ecological system is a biological system. In predation between a lion and a deer, a snake and a frog, a lizard and an insect, and an owl and a rat, which predator will have greater control over its prey? The predator will be snake. C option is correct. Next question. After which one of the following tribes of India has a large continent of ancient geological history of the world been named? It is Gonds. D option is correct. Evergreen rainforest is mainly found in regions having well distributed annual rainfall. The region is 100 to 200 centimeters. C option is correct. More than 200 centimeters. Next question. Mangrove forests occur in coastal swamps. To which natural vegetation belt do sal and teak trees belong? These belong to tropical deciduous forest. C option is correct. The distribution of characteristic vegetation of a region is determined mainly by soil, water and temperature. What makes an ecosystem? A living community and its environment. A option is correct. Next question. Source of energy in ecosystem is sun. A option is correct. The area observed for the welfare of wildlife is called national park. C option is correct. There is a need to keep larger area under forest for absorption of carbon dioxide. Dumping of solid waste in lowlying areas earth of cover is called sanitary landfilling. The cause of loss of forest over is increasing population. Greenhouse effect means trapping of solar energy due to atmosphere carbon dioxide. C option is correct. A natural region has the similarity of climate and natural vegetation. Global warming is expected to result in increase in level of sea, change in crop pattern and change in coastline. The option is correct. Man can maintain an ecological balance in the biosphere by understanding the delicate balance in the relative number of organisms. The option is correct. Which of the following exhibits unidirectional flow in an ecosystem? It is energy. Which of the following exhibits unidirectional flow in the ecosystem? It is energy. B option is correct. Rubber plantation are found in equatorial regions. Tidal forest is otherwise called mangrove forest. All the ecosystem taken together in a geographical area from a bigger unit is called biome. The word biosphere refers to zone of soil, water and air around earth capable of supporting the flora and fauna. A option is correct. Which of the following metals contribute to biomagnification problem in the ecosystem? It is mercury. What is the percentage coverage of tropical forest on earth's landmass? It is 7. The option is correct. The fur of anyone living in colder regions. It is traps the air and keeps them warm. Which of the following phenomena is supposedly associated with global warming? The phenomena is El Nino Modiki. Which of the following is a renewable resource? The thing is forest. Taiga means coniferous forest. B option is correct. Next question. Virtually treeless sparse vegetation is found in tundra. Name the condition which influences the development of plants into distinctive forms. It is climatic conditions. A species which has the restricted distribution is called endemic. B option is correct. The space retaining life in any form is called biosphere. Which of the following is a biological method of soil conservation? It is contour farming. With what bioregion is term steppe associated? It is associated with grasslands. Tropical rainforest is characterized by maximum biodiversity. Natural source of air pollution is volcanic eruptions. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of ecosystem in order of decreasing productivity? It is mangroves, grasslands, lakes and oceans. Where green types forest are found in? These are found in equatorial region. The maximum biodiversity is found in tropical rainforest. In dense forest, trees shed their leaves in a particular region. These are deciduous forest. Biosphere refers to the portion of the earth including the ocean, the land, the soil and the atmosphere inhabited by living organisms. C option is correct. Which of the following phenomena is supposedly associated with global warming? The phenomena is El Nino. The science of map making is cartography. Instrument used for measuring area on maps is called planimeter. A option is correct. The land of maximum biodiversity is a tropical. Who coined the word geography? It is coined by Eratosthenes. B option is correct. The art and science of map making is called cartography. Which one of the following organization is responsible for publishing topographical sheets? This is Survey of India. The option is correct. What is the alternate name for contour lines? The alternate name for contour lines is isophysis. C option is correct. Next question. Contours are imaginary lines showing places of equal altitudes. The imaginary lines joining places of same height at equal intervals are contours. The imaginary lines joining places with same temperature are called isotherms. The option is correct. What is meant by term midnight sun? The term midnight sun shining in the polar circle for a long time. The option is correct. The well through which water comes out through hydraulic pressure is called artesian well. The option is correct. Maps on large scale representing both natural and man-made features are called topographic maps. Contour line is the imaginary line joining places of equal elevation. C option is correct. The primary goal of planning for disasters is to reduce vulnerability. The option is correct.